guys, I'm back again. And today we're back with another unboxing because I'm way too late for it. And that unboxing is of this box, which is the Styletone box. Okay, so we're gonna remove the booklet, and it says this month is 100% vegan and paraben free. Okay, sounds good. Although I did think that, I thought that Styletone was always vegan. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Anyway, this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, so let's just grab the first thing, which is from Laritzi Cosmetics. Shade Sticks. Cruelty-free, paraben-free. Well, that's what they said it would be, but I have no idea what this is. Let's open this sucker up. In Aloha, this is what it looks like. I have no idea whatsoever what this actually is. Oh, it's a bronzer stick. Okay, that's pretty cool. Does it have like a foil on top or something? No, I don't think it has. Let's see the shade. Ooh, that's gonna look good on my skin. Thank God that it's not like too dark. It's actually gonna match pretty well. Okay, that's pretty cool. So let's check out the booklet, shall we? And see what it says on the inside. It's over here. So you could either get Aloha or Mahalo. Are these like Hawaiian names? I know I'm butchering them. I'm sorry. Anyway, it's from Laritzi. It's the contour stick, and it costs, whoa, it costs 24 euros. That's actually a lot of money. Okay, time to open up everything else that is in a bubble wrap. Come on, would you open up already? There we go. Okay, so let's grab them out of, oh no! Shoot! I see something that we actually received in another box already. I think, don't hit me with a rock if I'm not mistaken, I thought it was the Look Fantastic box like 2 boxes ago. I'm not really sure, but I already have this, so I'm not going to yap too long about this. This is the Bella Pierre Heat Wave Highlighting Palette. I have this one. I like it. Let's see how much it costs because I forgot that, but I'm not going to use this particular one, so you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway somewhere. Yeah, Bella Pierre Highlight Palette. It is 24 euros as well. Wow, the stick was 24 and this fella is 24. Okay, moving on to something from Dr. Botanicals. Cocoa and Coconut Superfood Reviving Hydrating Mask. Oh, that is good. I love me a good mask. So this is what that little sucker looks like. Let's check out the booklet. Is this supposed to be a full size? Okay, so what was I even saying when I was so rudely interrupted? Anyway, this is a mask, a hydrating mask. I love a good mask, but I do think that this is not a full size because it's only 30 milliliters, and usually these items are around 50 to 100 milliliters. So yeah, I don't know if this is actually a full size. If so, quite small, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, let's check out the booklet and what it says. It's number 1, Dr. Botanicals Cacao. Wow, it says, I don't know. It's a typo. Anyway, it costs 9 euros and 90 cents. Okay, we have 2 more items in the box. One of them is from Peas. Still have no idea how to pronounce this brand. It's the Instant Hard Nail Conditioner. Nail conditioner? Isn't that like just a strengthener, nail strengthener? This is what that little sucker looks like. Very hard to see. I know, I don't even know if the camera is like showing anything because I only see like a white wash, but that is basically what it is. So let's check out in the booklet. Number, it's probably going to be number 4. Yeah, it's number 4. Wow, there are actually a lot of them. Okay, they're $10 each, and you could actually get 4 different ones. So you could get the Ridge Away, the SOS Hydra, the After Hybrid, and the Instant Hard, which is the purple one, which is the one that I got. And yes, it is a nail strengthener for sure. So pretty cool. Okay, last item in the box is a pencil, and the box is empty. Okay, so this is from Duce. It's the Lip Definer Pencil. Rana, it says over here. Is that the name? Is the name Rana? I'm not really sure. Let's see what, oh God, yes. This is an orange color. Like, oh my goodness, this is, see, over here is the bronzing stick, and then over here, wow, it looks very red. Like in the viewfinder, it looks very red. It's not red, I can promise you. It's definitely more of like an orange tone. I love it. So this is what that little fella looks like. See, and over here you can see the actual color. I'm loving it. I love myself a good lip pencil. Today I'm actually wearing a lip pencil as well. So I love that. Let's move on. Okay. The lip pencil is 20 euros. I find that a hell of a lot of money for a lip pencil. I personally would never pay that much. But you can get 3 different ones for fall, I guess. One is like a lighter nude-ish brown. So glad I didn't get that one. The second one is this, which is the orange one. And the third one, from the looks of it in the booklet, is a darker brown one yet again. So I'm actually very pleased that I did not get a freaking brown color, even though it's fall. Like, I understand people want fall colored stuff. I let something fall, okay. But I don't know, we get brown tone colors throughout the year so redonkulously much that I'm just like, stop. I know it's a fall color and it's fall right now, but just no. There's absolutely no need for another brown. There just is none. I'd rather have like an orange or burgundy red, or, you know, there are different fall colors out there, but just stop with the brown. Okay guys, that were all of the items in the box. I actually quite like this box. The only thing I didn't like, and that is only because of the fact that I already received it, is this palette. However, if I did not receive this in a previous box, I would say this box is freaking awesome. I really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!